at times many topics in biology are somewhere theoretical, like evolution, the concepts related with evolution, the concepts related with natural resources or with environment issues. These are very common kind of topics, and children, they face like quite boring. And in same way, when any question related with these topics comes in examination, in same way children, they feel that writing 1 or 2 pages is quite boring, and same is for examiner to check also. So there is an interesting way. With the help of that, you can make your answer interesting, and you can make learning of these topics also interesting. Suppose that if that you are having any topic of evolution, you can note down 4 or 5 important sentences or important events of that topic, and you can make a block diagram. Okay, the block diagram is where that every sentence you can write inside a block, and afterwards with the help of arrow you can write it. So instead of learning that whole 1 or 2 page and writing same in the examination, you can write with the help of ray diagrams or block diagrams.